Alright lovely people, and welcome to my new channel, Dance with Danny. Now, if you hadn't already guessed, my name's Danny. It'd be weird if it wasn't, wouldn't it? Bob or something. Now I'm a dancer, actor, singer and all-round performing monkey really, but when I'm not performing I like to teach and coach people how to dance and just be generally, you know, awesome. So, to the point, now who out of you watches Strictly Come Dancing? Who out of you watches Dancing with the Stars? Now, I used to dance for a lot of those pros, lovely people, most of them, and I'm going to teach you a few tips and tricks today so you can dance just like they do. I know, special right? Now if you couldn't tell already, I'm not Latino, I'm more Casa del Dartford, but I do know what I'm talking about, so let's get started, shall we? Today, I'm starting with the most important of important moves, called the Cucaracha. Now, the Cucaracha, I'm sure in Spanish sounds like Le Cucaracha or something fun, but in my accent from South East London, it sounds like the Cucaracha. Didn't know this until just recently. Cucaracha, in English, translates to cockroach. What's that got to do with dancing, eh? So, now the Cucaracha is essentially a figure of 8 with the hips, right? So all we want to do is make this shape with the hips. Just a few things to think about, all right? So keep those legs nice and straight if you can. If they're bent, don't worry too much about it. I want you to draw a massive figure of 8, invisible figure of 8. It'll be like this, almost like an infinity symbol on Mortal Kombat, right? So you want a nice big infinity symbol, and your aim is to draw. Open up this space, diagonal line, close the space, hip all the way around. Open the space, lean, close the space all the way around. And it's that simple really. And then eventually we can start moving our bodies like proper Latin dancers. Anyway, it's been an absolute pleasure speaking to you today. Mwah. See you soon. Bye. Before I forget, few things to tell you before I go. Right, on a Tuesday morning at 11:30, Greenwich Mean Time, UK time that is, I teach a beginner's intermediate class. On a Wednesday at 5:30, I teach an intermediate advanced class. You don't have to be an advanced Latin dancer, you just have to have dance training. So like more like a student or someone that has a dance background. For the beginner's intermediate class, it's more of a starter's class, right? So that makes sense, I think. Now, if you're at all interested in taking my classes, you can do one of two things. You can pop down below the video, and I've put the links down there, or you could just type into your URL, www.dancewithdanny.net. Right? You can go to there and you can book a class or book a section of classes, and you can come see me and we'll have a good time on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Sound lovely? All Zoom, all sorted, lovely jubbly. See you soon. Mwah!